Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to set or display multiple operating systems if you have dual boot or multi-boot enabled on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And I'll show you on how to enable the option. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating start menu, so right click ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung run. So dito sa run command ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung keyword na SystemPropertiesAdvanced and then click mo lang tong OK. And then madadirect tayo kaagad dito sa kanyang system properties. And then dito lang sa advanced, i-click mo lang dito and then baba ka lang and then select mo lang dito yung startup and recovery. And then next ay i-click mo lang tong settings. And then dito sa kanyang startup and recovery, dito lang sa system startup. Dito sa default operating system, so select mo lang dito, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select ka lang dito kung Windows 11 or Windows 10. And then next ay, dito naman sa kanyang time to display list of operating system, i-check mo lang tong box. And then next ay, kailangan mo lang maglagay dito ng 30 seconds. Right? And then pagkatapos nyan, click mo lang tong OK. And then click mo lang tong OK. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-set o display the default OS selections for dual boot or multi-boot computer on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.